In this video, I'll show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite. Now this will help keep your account much more secure, and what you want to do is you want to head over to epicgames.com. Now you can just Google that, or you can type this in, and from in here you want to click sign in and make sure you sign into your account. After that, simply click on your name, head over to account, and you'll come to the account page. Now in here what you want to do is you want to head over to password and security. Once you're in here, you'll be able to set up your two-factor. So these are the ones that you can use, which is the email, the app, or SMS. Basically, just click on the setup and they'll ask you to verify. So if you choose SMS, it's basically whenever someone logs in from a new place, there'll be an SMS on your phone. Email is the same, just it's gonna be sent to your email. And Authenticator app is where you're gonna download an app that you can scan whenever you log in from a new spot. So those are the ways that you can do it. It's really simple, just click on setup and follow the instructions. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.